In this video, I'll show you how to create your first Jira project. First, open Jira and log in to your Atlassian account. Once you are inside the Jira dashboard, look for the Projects menu at the top or on the left side of the screen. Click Projects, then choose Create Project. Jira will now show you different project templates. These templates help you start with the right structure based on the type of work your team wants to manage. For beginners, you can choose a simple template like Kanban or Scrum. Kanban is good for continuous work, where tasks move through stages like to do, in progress, and done. Scrum is better if your team works in sprints and plans work in regular cycles. After choosing a template, Jira may ask whether you want a team-managed or company-managed project. Team-managed projects are usually easier for beginners because they give your team more control with a simpler setup. Company-managed projects are better for larger teams that need shared workflows and more admin control. Next, enter your project name. For example, you can name it Marketing Tasks, Website Redesign, or App Development. Jira will also create a project key automatically, but you can edit it if needed. Now choose the access settings. You can make the project open to your team, limited to selected people, or private, depending on your workspace permissions. After reviewing the details, click Create Project. Jira will build the project and open your new board. From here, you can start adding tickets by clicking Create. Add tasks, bugs, stories, or other work items your team needs to track. You can also invite team members, customize columns, set priorities, and organize your workflow as your project grows. That's it. You have created your first Jira project and can now start managing work in one organized place. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.